All right, guys, so we've got the helicopter circling, huge circle. They have the street blocked off down there, but they have two deputies up here, so I come up here first. Avenue D in Yucaipa, across of 14th Street. Can you see the helicopter? Yeah, there it is. Yeah, the helicopter's circling. We got two marked units here. They have the road blocked off at the end of 14th Street down there. It's 15th, I think. But they have two units up here. Is he in his car? He shouldn't be. No, he's not in his car. So he must be down here. So we're gonna come down here and see what's going on, guys. You see, we just passed one police car. There's nobody in it. There's another one sitting down here at an angle. And then they have another one at 15th and E, blocking off 15th Street. Or E, Avenue E. But I decided to come down here first. Probably won't see anything, it doesn't look like, but there goes a third one just turned down 15th Street back there. I don't think there's anybody in this car either. There's not. So he's in the wash, huh? Are they in the wash then? I see two marked police units with nobody in them and no police officers, but two of them went down 15th Street. The helicopter's circling. Let's go find out what's happened on 15th Street. This might be unedited. Might just post it for you guys without editing. That's 40 King right there. Police helicopter circling. Let's go down to 15th and see what's going on. I can walk pretty fast. Again, I don't see any uniformed cops. I just see their marked units up here. Here comes one. So he's gonna come up here. Let's see what he does. Yeah, he's gonna park in front of this other car, or no? No, he's gonna come by. He's gonna pull over right here. So let's see what we got here. Hey. So apparently there was nothing down there. That's why he came up here. Is he gonna go down 14th Street? No, he's gonna park right there. They're gonna go into the wash, huh? I think he's gonna go into the wash. We'll come back this way because he just came up from 15th. So apparently there's nothing over there. Now the helicopter's circling on the other side of 14th also. So let's go see if we see anything on 14th Street. $40 King right there. So he's gonna go down into the wash, it looks like. This is actually a hiking trail. I keep saying the wash, but it's an open hiking trail. So let's go ahead and follow him down there. I think. Looks like some CDs or DVDs. This is actually a hiking trail here. Goes along the wash. I've actually I've actually seen people walk through here. Fucking allergies. I have a cold too, guys. Really bad cold. We'll stay back a little, give them some room to work. I keep hearing banging up there. It's construction, but I don't know. It's just weird. So, oh, there's the other car down there. So now there's another police car down there. Yeah, that police car is driving off, so nothing. He's taking pictures of something, so. Yeah, I don't see any deputies down there, so there's nothing down there. Just this one here is walking. Maybe he's looking for something that was thrown. Back here's the water pipes. This is where the overflow, when it rains, it comes through here. That's what this is for. You see right there. So this is just for an overflow. Yeah, there's no deputies down there, just this gentleman here. So if there was something going on, he would have kept going. But apparently, let's go to 14th real quick and take a look-see. So whatever's going on, yeah, right here's the overflow. All the water comes out of here when it rains really hard. It gets flooded up in here. But it doesn't look like there's anything going on here. He took a seat right there, huh? Did he just take a seat? Oh no, he's got his knee on the, or his foot on the rock. So, I don't know, they're looking for somebody. I guess the person might have gotten away. So there you go, guys. That's an action with no action. You know, that's like, sorry for the analogy, but it's like having sex and you just can't finish. You're like, God dang it. Oh my God. That's what this is like, man. It's like a helicopter circling. We got cops all over the streets and nothing's going on. But maybe we should take a walk down here to 15th and go around. Yeah, there's a cop. Are they getting in the car or out of the car? It's hard to tell. Standing there with the door open. We'll be up there in a sec. 2 doors open. So something's going on in this block here. She's getting out of the car. Scratching her head. He's getting out of the car. Hands on his hips. They're like, oh crap, here comes Jimmy. I knew he'd be out here. Son of a biscuit eater. It's 2 female cops. I said he. I thought the one who was facing me was a male, but it's not. It's 2 females. In fact, if that's a redhead, she's the one that deals with the homeless here in Yucaipa. It is gonna be her, I believe. Yeah, that's her. She helps a lot of the homeless here. Oh no, that's not her. That's not her, guys. But anyway, there's 40 King, still circling. So apparently they're looking over here, but I don't see anything. So I don't know if they're just waiting on somebody to come by. They're just standing there. So are they bringing somebody out? Helicopters behind us. Yeah, they're getting antsy. But they're just standing here. I don't know what they're waiting on. Are they waiting on the helicopter to spot something? There's the helicopter. So the helicopter's circling a huge area. And this one deputy got out, but she's just standing here. I was waiting on her to do something. She's not. Her partner walked off. Where's her partner in front of the car there? No, she walked off. Yeah, her partner walked off. Where does she get back in the car? Oh, she's in front of the car. So they're getting back in the car now. They're probably telling him Jimmy's out here with his camera. Or are they gonna leave this one? Oh, they're working construction at the house across the street. I don't think you guys can hear the saw going. They're cutting wood. Okay, the helicopter's coming in tight. He's coming in tight right there. So I'm wondering if that's where they're at. Yeah, now she's pointing over there and they're both looking across the street. So somewhere right where we're standing, something's going on. Probably looking for somebody. You have the other deputy in the wash over there. He didn't see anything. If he does, we'll know because they'll jump in the car and they'll take off to go over there. Helicopter takeoff? Oh, he's still doing his rounds. So it's a freaking quiet day other than that in Yucaipa, really. It's a nice day out here, I'll tell you that. We're on 14th Street. Now he's gonna go back over to 15th Street. So whoever it is got away because there's nothing out here. And they're standing and watching the helicopter, hoping he spots somebody. Here comes another deputy. See who this is. Oh, that's the LT. Could be the chief. I think it's a LT. I don't know if it's a sergeant. I'm trying to lean over. No, it's a sergeant. Oh, no, it's not. That's our illustrious PIO, who I've called a couple of times on different things to get information. I never get a call back. Oh, he's not the media. He's just a guy with a camera. So that was the PIO and special officer, deputy, whatever. Special assignments. So she told her something, but I don't know what they said. I couldn't hear. All right, let's walk back up here. They're not doing anything but standing there waiting on the helicopter to say, I see them. The helicopter's just circling overhead is all he's doing. And you know, I probably could have called the PIO more, like kept trying. But what I did was I had called and she's never in. Or she wasn't in. They left a message a couple of times and I never got to get a call back. So this one's coming down here now. Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy. Well, hi. So he's coming down here. He was the one we were going up there to see. Let's see what he's doing. Yeah, he's blocking the road. Look how he's blocking the road now. This guy can't even get by. This guy can't get by because he's in the middle of the road. No siren or nothing, just stopped. I know some of you are going to go, well, he's doing his job. You give him a hard time. He's blocking the road and he's about to cause an accident. Uh-oh. Oh. I know I'm a hard critic, guys. I'm not anti-police. I don't always harp on them just to be a dick. When I criticize, there's a reason for it. I know, I'm just walking by, bud. I'm just walking by. Yeah, I know. So let's go down here and see what this guy's doing. We still have the same two deputies parked here, or at least one of them. And I don't see them. I've seen the two females, then the one guy, tall one, he was in the third vehicle. Okay, see, I got around the corner, found out. So there's only one police car here. I'm wondering if it belongs to one of the females and she just hitched a ride with the other one. Or maybe they both left and that's the guy that was there earlier. Oh no, there's the other police car. Yeah, I'm gonna get a lot of criticisms. Yeah, you don't know. Well, I can't see past this one, but the other one's parked on the other side of it. So yeah, the two police cars are still here. And I don't know if the deputies are in the wash or not. I should cut through right here on this hiking trail and just walk up 15th Street. What do you guys think? Sound like a plan? Let's try that. But people hike through here just on their morning walk, morning commute. People walk through here all the time. So we're gonna walk through here, go over to 15th Street. If nothing's going on, I'm gonna close it. Because I think this manhunt is about over. And if I see the cops in a yard, I'll try to get the footage for you guys. But the helicopter's now way the hell over by 18th Street. So did the guy get over there? Oh, he's taking off. Yeah, the helicopter's flying off. So here comes a deputy. That's probably his car over there. So there's another deputy on a dirt road. You can see the car. There it is. See the police car? But this is the wash, and this is a nice little hiking trail. So when we get up here, I'll narrate so he knows I'm just narrating. But you can see what some of the water has done when we've had these rains. It's eroding some of the ground here, and that's the reason for those pipes up there, but then it sends all the water through here. And hopefully it doesn't erode too much too quickly, or they're gonna have a problem with the rain damage. Yeah, sir. Good, sir. But other than that, it's beautiful through here, and people doing their morning hikes. So it doesn't look like really he found anything. He came through here. And we came the other way because they have it blocked off down here. So and then we'll walk up 15th Street and that'll be that. And hopefully you guys enjoy. Yeah, look at how they keep it up too. They keep it kept up. You can see where the grass has been mowed. And of course, like I said, when it rains really hard, the water comes through here, floods everything. That's the reason for these pipes up here. And, people hike through here every morning. So it's actually, I think they do it for the quiet. And this is kind of beautiful right here. Other than walking up the street and dodging cars, because there's no sidewalks on those streets over there. So you almost kind of have to walk in the street. I won't film the animals here because they're people's private animals, but I mean, I could, but yeah, I don't know. Well, we've got goats and horses over here. I don't think they want me putting those on YouTube. But, people will be like, really? Horses, goats. All right, so here we go. Step over, step down. Jennifer's up here. Deputy Smith. So we've crossed paths with several deputies and none of them are real excited. Which means it's probably like the guy got away or they don't know where he's at. She's probably watching the wash area here. I got new shoes on. It's like the third day I've wore these. So my toe's starting to get a blister, which is great. It's nice. It's always nice to have a blister. There you go. Illustrious Deputy Smith. Helicopter's gone. So you guys are getting a tour of Yucaipa right now. Is that a deputy over there? That's not a deputy that just went in the house, is it? Oh, it's probably that certified carpet care guy. Looked like he had a khaki tan shirt on, and he may have, but I think it's the carpet guy. His uniform. I was like, dude, the khaki going in there. Khaki shirt. I have literally been coughing all day. It's crazy. Now those two girls that were involved in the alleged homicide were up here. If you go down Avenue E to the middle of the block is where that house is. He's looking at me through the window. I see you. I won't film him, it's his private residence. But yeah, you go down here to the middle of the block, that's where that homicide investigation was. And those girls, of course, captured and arrested. And they're awaiting arraignment, I believe, or charges to go through. But we're back on 15th Street. Go up 15th. You guys are getting a tour, man. Doobie 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 doo. When I was in animal control, there's a couple houses within here in this block that we were always out at. Like all the time for dogs running loose. It's crazy, man. You know, and I'm sure it's the same with law enforcement. Your mainstream law enforcement, I'm not talking about like animal control or anything, but I'm sure it's the same with them when they get a call at a certain house. They go, oh, fuck, man. I know that's old Dave or that's old Joe or whatever. That's what we would get. We would get a call for a loose dog and we're like, oh, God dang it. He's out again? You just get the same calls, same houses, same problems. But I'm glad I'm not in that job no more. There's our PIO. Yucaipa's PIO, I should say. I'm glad I'm not in that job no more because, I'm in a job now where I can actually help people, not write citations and pick up their animals. She's gonna pull over to see what vehicle I get into, I think. Yeah, I think. Maybe she's just looking. No, she's parking. I wish she hadn't done that. And I don't know, it doesn't matter if they see what I drive. I might walk past my car though and go up to Avenue D. David and film and see what's going on up there. But yeah, she parked right there. I don't know where she goes. Yeah, Jimmy's coming with the camera. Take off. Go, go. I don't know what she was doing. At least I can get in my car now, right? So I wanted to also say on this video, thank you for 7,000 subscribers. I've crossed the 7,000 mark, 93,000 to go. But thank you for all of you. If any of you newcomers are Hemet people, just remember I'm not anti-Hemet cop, not anti-anything cop. There's some really cool and professional police officers in Hemet. But the ones that aren't, we're going to educate you and we're going to catch you. And you know who you are. When a guy crashes his car and his girl comes up to ask, when can she get stuff out of the car? And the police officer from Hemet looks at her and says, none of your business. Okay, we're doing an investigation. Go away. That's not protect and serve. Okay, that's disrespect. And I don't know, fill in the blank. But that's disrespecting a resident. That's not protect and serve. That's not serving. That's disservice. So, 2 deputies are down here. They're talking. But Deputy Smith left, so. But there's your other deputies are sitting down here. I don't know what they're doing. Just talking, probably doing a post briefing. But I'm not anti-cop. I'm not even anti-Hemet cop like that one so-called news guy said. I just give back to my community by ensuring that the police are professional and courteous and treat them with respect. That's all it's about, man. That's it. The police act right. But he was talking about me saying, the guy said, are you bored? I was making fun of it. That's, when you look at a camera guy and you go, are you bored? That's really another way of asking, don't you have anything else to do? No, I don't. Because as long as police in the United States are going to violate people's rights and violate departmental policy, they're going to get recorded. It's just how it is, man. Don't want us recording you? Don't want us saying stupid shit to you? Then don't say stupid shit to us. Thanks, guys. News Now Yucaipa, keeping you guys informed. Hope this was okay, everybody.